This is my BMW E30 box car, but it's too small for me to fit in, and not so fun to drive because it's very slow. So I thought, why not turn this into something else more useful, and started to do some research on mini loaders and also frame and engineering the cyberplow. I decided I want to build some kind of tool carrier or implement carrier. I started without a definitive plan. If you watch the entire video, you will understand why I regret it. Here I have the chassis. I need to put a pulley here. The plate welded on some kind of socket and this plastic pulley. So I'm thinking I remove the screws there and grind away this. I can get the pulley loose. That should be able to be mounted on there. I lifted the E30 chassis. And redid the steering.
Spending the night in Dixon, 60-odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man. How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? Carried it all, following miles as we go.
I have now installed the seat, at least in the back. We're gonna redo some stuff up front. Here, gonna be redone a bit. This is the racing lawnmower, or not racing but fast lawnmower. I'm gonna put that here, I think. Yeah, so now I'm gonna fix that stuff here, I think. After a lot of back and forth with the steering, I finally came up with an idea here, which I'm currently working on. Then I tested my IDs. I currently power this contraption with the 18-volt drill. It was very slow, so let's do it in seconds. Then I fell off because the thing tipped over backwards. Then it tipped over again and I fell off. Maybe I shouldn't ride on this because it's so small and tippy. So I'm redoing the rear axle anyway to move it back a bit so it doesn't tip over immediately as you saw it did. Now you might be thinking, what is this? What did I do with the tool carrier? And the answer is, there is no tool carrier anymore. I started to realize it's too small to ride on, and it can still carry tools in the future, even if it's like walk behind. So I made it like into a wagon at the moment, because I realized I don't have a good motor. The motor I had was, it's thrown away now, and because it was very bad. So I think I will just cover this up with some wood and use it as a wagon for now. I made a little towage for it. It is a bit overloaded, but that'll do. I just saw an opportunity here.
A line at a time, or a sad swan song, offering up purple.
Got a bit too much stuff here, but yeah, I'm gonna have to look at that too.
Guide you to the final act, but I think it's understood nothing good can come of that. How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now?
Seems sturdy enough. Even though this didn't turn into what I thought from the beginning, it became quite useful. In a future video I will motorize this wagon because the drill doesn't fit. I would have motorized it now, but I don't have a lathe.